Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to set direct message notifications to silent on the X app. If you've ever been distracted by constant pings from DMs but still want to keep receiving them without missing out, this quick trick will make things a lot easier for you. Let's jump right into the steps. First, unlock your phone and head over to your main settings app. This is where all the notification controls for each app are managed. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you see apps and tap on it. Next, you'll want to locate the X app from your list of installed apps. Tap on it to open the app's specific settings. From here, choose the option labeled Notifications. This is where you can fine-tune how and when you get alerts from X. Now, look for something called Notification Categories. This section breaks down different types of alerts, so you can adjust them individually. Go ahead and tap on it. Inside the categories, you'll see different notification types. What you're looking for is direct messages. Once you tap on direct messages, you'll notice several options for how notifications behave. To silence them without turning them off completely, select Silent. This way, you'll still receive your direct messages, but your phone won't buzz or make any sounds when one comes in. It's a great way of staying connected without being overwhelmed every few minutes. And that's it. You've successfully set your direct message notifications to silent on the X app. From now on, the alerts will quietly appear on your screen without pulling your attention away from what you're doing. If you ever change your mind and want them back to normal, simply return to the same settings and switch the notification style to your preferred option. Thank you for following along.